Okay. What the fuck? How did I end up full screening OBS? Hey everyone. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to properly use my new tool, Extem Sonic 3 A.I.R mod profile manager. It's pretty cool if I do say so myself. Just download it from the Game Banana page. Be sure to read through the warnings. They are very important. Very, very important. Anyways, we've got our zip file here. Inside we have profilemanager.py and readme.txt. You're going to want to first, of course, read readme.txt. This contains some important advice, just to make sure that nothing breaks, I guess. But anyways, you're supposed to put profilemanager.py in the same folder as sonic3er.exe. Before you start the profile manager, you have to go to your mods folder. I have a shortcut to it. Scroll down to the bottom. If you're sorting by file type, you'll see active-mods.json. And you're gonna wanna back this up, just in case something happens to it. So just copy paste it to your desktop. I'll shove it in the backup stuff folder, because I just have one here for convenience sake. Anyways, back to the root folder. Give me a minute. Back to the root folder. Now that you've backed up your active-mods.json file, you're gonna want to start profilemanager.py. Now, at the top, since this is the first time starting the program, you will see properties.json created and mod profiles folder created. If you don't see these, then something's probably wrong. You should have properties.json here in the folder. Whatever. Now we're in the program. First thing to do, marvel at this sick-ass ASCII art. I made it myself. Anyway, so you'll see here, the current active profile is default. And first thing we're gonna want to do is create a profile. So you're gonna type 1, because that's the number. In this menu you have to type the number of the option. So type 1, you go to create/copy profile, you enter a name for it. So I'm gonna name this DA Garden, because this is going to be my DA Garden profile. Copy contents, let's type Y, because we are going to copy. So from here, there will be a list of all of your profiles that you've created. Here it's just default, so I'm just going to type default.json. Whenever it tells you to add the JSON file extension, you have to include it. But if it doesn't tell you to have the JSON extension, then don't include it. It's a little finicky, but that's just how it was coded. I'm a little stupid sometimes. Copy successful, launching S3R. Now what we can do from here is we can tweak this to our liking. So I'm just gonna So now we have our DA Garden mod pack. We can close out of this. And we are in fact in DA Garden edition. Oh, right. Right. Yeah, we exit the game, since we're done playing DA Garden. we are going to go back to the root folder. We are going to reopen profilemanager.py. And as you can see, our current active profile is DA Garden. And so let's say we just want to launch back into default. So we press 2 here to launch existing profile. And now we can choose from our list. We have DA Garden and we have default. Let's launch default.json because it tells us add the file extension. And here we have seamlessly switched back to our default mod pack. We did it. Let's reopen the profile manager. There's still quite a bit to go over. Now, let's go ahead and create another profile. Just call it test. And let's not copy contents. So we press N, and it just launches. Completely vanilla. And you have no mods in here. It's a complete blank slate. We can do whatever we want with it. I'm just going to add, shameless plug, Extem Sonic-inspired level countdown. And now we have just a profile that only has ESILC in it. From here, let's go to Manage Profiles. We choose from a list. Let's manage test.json. What we'd like to do with it, we can rename it, delete it, duplicate it, make it active, or just go back. Let's rename it first. We will rename it to test, but different. Don't add JSON here. It's like when you name your profile, you don't add the JSON here, because it doesn't tell you to. Just name it test, but different. Boom. Rename successful. Oh, but here, now, active profile overwritten. Select a new active profile. It detects that, like, since the current active profile is test, and we just edited test, it doesn't see test anymore, and so to prevent everything from going to shit, we have to select a new one. So let's just go test but different.json. And now we're back to the main menu. Current active profile is test but different. This is a very, very big thing. If your current active profile is switched without launching the game, launch the game with 4. Launch the game through the program, just so that it knows to switch them, because sometimes it doesn't do that. Let's go back to the manager. Let's manage profiles again. Let's go test but different.json. We can duplicate it. You can name this duplicate just test. Let's go back to manage profiles. Test.json. Now let's delete it. Yes, I'm sure. I am positive. And the profile has been deleted. You have to confirm it twice just in case. Anyways, if we go default.json, what would you like to do with it? Let's make this active. And remember, if your profile is switched to active without launching the game, then you have to launch the game. Because otherwise, it might not switch the JSONs correctly and you'll overwrite your profile with another one. But that's pretty much the gist of it. That's pretty much all you need to know about Extem Sonic 3 A.I.R mod profile manager. For now, the options menu doesn't really work. See, you can't change any options, but you can view the credits. It's certainly credits. But again, that's all you really need to know about this little script of mine. I hope this helps you in the future, or whatever. Enter 7 to exit the manager, and I hope you have a great day.